Do you suffer from cough? There are 3 types of cough: dry cough, wet cough, and allergic reaction cough. A dry cough is not associated with the presence of a throat mine. Sometimes combined with swelling, congestion, or feeling tickled in the throat. There are many types of dry cough, such as when a person infected by cold, his body temperature rises to 38 degrees. And also there is a barking cough that causes inflammation of the nose or swelling of the throat, in which the patient feels pain in the throat and difficulty breathing. Also there is a whooping cough, it considered a deadly threat to children under the age of 2 years. And it is excessive coughing followed by inhale. We can reduce cough intensity naturally by steam sessions, or honey, which usually is contained by all cough medications. You can also use turmeric, ginger, garlic, guava leaves, cervix, or bubbling with water and salt. Attention! You should consult a doctor immediately in the following cases. If the woman get pregnant during treatment. If the infected is less than 5 years. If you don't recover after 3 weeks. If the patient suffers from any chronic disease. Stay healthy. Stay safe.